Okay. Okay. And stupid thing. I dropped it. Mother. Hey guys, how are you doing? Nothing that much, but yeah. I was trying to make a video earlier. But it didn't work. But yeah. Yeah. And yeah, I just wanted to. I forgot to tell you this like something like that a long time ago. Last on my vlogging time. I was trying to say I didn't get to give a shout out to all my friends, like all my friends I've seen that have a YouTube now. Like I really actually recently noticed this. Like one of them let me read the paper. Oh, kill him 502. What's his PSN and his YouTube? It's just a dude that's a boss. He's so boss. Yeah. Next one is Undead Code 14. His YouTube's Undead Code. Alright. Next one. Actually, I recently figured this out, but his name is Lazy Boy. I actually forgot. It's been a long time since I've seen these guys. There's his YouTube's Lazy Boy Junior, and I'm pretty sure his PSN's just Lazy Boy or something like that. I forgot. I can't remember the numbers. I think there was numbers on it, but I can't remember. And there's one more. His name's Price Shadow 156. Yeah. He also has another PSN called Not Price Shadow 15. Yeah. His YouTube's Price Shadow Gaming and more. Yeah, I hacked him. Yeah. Yeah, technically. Yeah. Enjoy the video, and see ya. Oh, mother. Oh. Oh yeah, forgot to say bitch. Bitch. Fuck, I messed that up. Mother.